Our journey of 0 to 1 effectively took us about 20 years, because 15-20 years my mom was doing it, and then the next couple of years where I said, let's scale this, and let's scale this in a way where we're able to help and impact as many kids as possible, without making learning burdensome or boring, which is typically how a lot of kids feel about it. Arey yaar, homework de diya teacher ne, arey. So the first feeling is arey yaar rather than yay. So for us, right, technology is always a tool in the hands of the teacher or the administrator, right? And technology exists to make your experience either better, smoother, or faster. So when systems sort of started breaking down, we were exploring options. We did actually get our own, like everybody else, we did get our own software made, and then we realized if we start focusing on that, we sort of lose track of what is our core focus area, which is the learning that we're imparting. And then honestly, Collexo sort of came to us really organically. I was invited to an event for Merito as a speaker, and then I just sort of saw a brochure on Collexo, and I said, hey, this looks like a big problem which could be solved for us in a very, very short period of time. Because anyway, we were facing challenges. We have to collate so much data on so many students. How do you do it manually, right? And our accounts team was at some point, I think, ready to give up. They said, ye nahi ho sakta hai. We were like, we don't know how to do this. We don't, none of us have a tech background, right? We don't know what to do. We were like, we know what we want. We don't know how it's going to get done. So I think the Collexo team really helped us get it done. So before Collexo, we were using a different payment gateway, which means the accounts team had to constantly reconcile ye kaun se center ka paisa aaya, kaun se bacche ka paisa aaya, kaun sa payment aaya, was it for term 1, was it for term 2, was it a demo, what was the form of payment. And plus we had a lot of flexibility within our own systems for parents. If you've opted for one program and you want to opt for the second, you just have to pay a difference amount rather than paying the whole fee again, etc. So my accounts team was drowning, right? Reconciling data across so many kids was nearly impossible. And then on top of it, we didn't have, for us, the right data to make decisions. At what point are we having customer drop-offs? At what point are we having issues with regard to fee payments, etc., right? And then also today's parents, they want that flexibility of being able to pay in whichever mode of payment they're comfortable with. So how do you bring all of that together? So for us, Collexo was sort of very instrumental in helping us put together the backend in one single place. Now coming to the parents themselves, right? Beyond just the flexibility of payment options. And also I'll give you another, before I move on to the parents. Parents in our case still do pay cash. So how do you get that on a single platform? Even if you're using a different payment gateway, they don't have the option for marking something in cash, which means the accounts team is doing manual entries for all of it. And when it comes to the parent side of it, right, they want the ability to just click on a link, go through a really fast checkout experience, and still be able to retain all details, go back to them later as and when required, and do it immediately rather than having to wait for us to send them a link or send them a scan code. Nothing. We've uploaded this link on our website, integrated it, and they know ki yahan pe jana hai, click karna hai, and payment karna hai. So I think for them that experience has become really, really smooth. So I think that's where Collexo really stepped in to bridge that gap between us as a backend, parents, and my accounts team. There do exist other platforms which do similar things, but one initial experience I think for us was really different. With Collexo, very accommodating. Rishabh was very clear that ye bhi ho sakta hai, you want this, we can do this also. Implementation was at least we were assured ki implementation ho jayega, will not get stuck at any point in the middle. And then the third was also the fact that the sheer number of features, the ability to constantly change the system also, because we also have a school partnership vertical. Now that vertical was something we also sprung on the Collexo team quite last minute. We said, ye chahiye. We're like, oh, cool, they were very level-headed about it, we'll get it done. So I think that sort of makes sure that you don't want to switch, and compared to every other offering, you feel like this is a better decision. A lot of times, why I personally forget the product, why I love and have always loved the Merito team. I actually met the Merito team almost 3 or 4 years ago. And is that it never felt like sales. It felt like, we're here to sort of help you figure it out whenever you're ready to make sure that we go ahead. Never felt like a sales tactic. Just to get a product out, we'll do it. And then whatever they said ho jayega, wo ho gaya. I think that's key for retention, right? One is sales, and the second part of it is retention. There's a reason why we keep renewing, and we're happy to sort of just blindly tell Rishabh, bhai, bhej do MOU, hum kar lenge, renew payment kar lenge, because we know we don't want to explore other options right now. And that's simply because the experience for us initially we did have some hiccups because our systems are complex, some back and forth regarding kaise implement karenge. But then once they got going, it just happened and it was quite smooth. Even now, I think my team still directly talks to the CS team and says, we need this feature, and I don't even know half the conversations happening. But a lot of trust, reconciliation, biggest, right? Reconciliation's been really easy. My team's time saved, because anytime a parent comes, ye link hai, payment karo, right? And that's also led to faster conversion numbers for us. Because typically, if you take too long, everybody in D2C also knows this, right? If you take too long for the customer to check out, or you make it too difficult for them to check out, your customer is gone. In this case, because it's so easy, your conversions are faster. They'll come in like your own team, help you figure out. And this is a real sort of example, right? We were doing our fees a little bit differently. Once Kalexo sort of came in, we changed our fee structure to make sure, because Kalexo sort of gave us better ideas. So I've not seen too many other software companies come in not just as vendors but rather as partners. And asking about whether I would recommend them, 100%. I think I've already done it. I've spoken to multiple people about if they're not using it already, at least giving it a try.